Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to verify two-step verification on Google account. And before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just click on the search option and search for the two-step verification. Two-step verification, just click on it. When you click on two-step verification, you just click on any account which one you want to select. So here I select the two-step verification and on the account. So whether it has been verified or not, it has two-step verification. Protect your account with two-step verifications. If you want to protect your account, security make easy. Okay, and use two-step verification for all your online accounts. You can verify it like that. Just click on get started. Okay, after you have been click on get started, here you have to confirm your verify. At first you have to verify that it's you. Okay, just give your email and password. Just give your password, enter your password and click on next. After that you just give your you just draw the password. Okay, you just give the password again, draw the confirm the password, and after that the two-step verification will be done. Okay, suppose I'm giving here. Okay, wait. So here I finished to type my password. After that click on next. When I click on next, you can see here what happened next is the, and please subscribe the channel when it is moving. So here it says use your phone as your second steps to sign in. So if you want to use your phone as the second step to sign in, you can use, just click on continue, it will be activate. Okay, and give your password. Okay, so friends, if you loved the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.